Hello and welcome back. In this second tutorial I'm going to show you how to highlight certain elements within Mapbox's internal tile sets. So firstly I'm going to show you how to undo what we did in the first video, because pink water does not really look very good. So go up to history, and then I'm just going to go back to the very start before we changed any of the icons or labels or colours. So here we are. Now if you click on the plus button here which says add new layer, it will take you to this screen that has sort of the raw data of the tile sets. So you can see every point, every line, and every sort of shape or polygon. So source, we need to select a source, and this one here, Mapbox Streets V8, is what is being used. So let's click on point of interest label. So immediately that shows you where all the labels are, and then let's click the type that we want it to show. So at the moment it's just a circle. You can click a line, or let's go with a symbol because we can change the type of icon it is later. And then we want to filter it, so depending what we want to show. So if we want to show stadiums, parks, restaurants, etc. So let's create a filter, and we want to categorize it by, or we want to filter it by its category. And I'm going to choose church. Right, so this says the data field equals or is church. So we click done, and then up the top here we change from the select data to the style, and here because we've clicked icon, we need to go across one tab to the icon, and here we can pick a label or an icon rather. Here you go, here's one's for church, so we've clicked that. Let's see if there's one. But we really want to highlight that, so we can change the size of it to be quite large, maybe not quite that big. That can be one layer added. Let's add another. So same source. Let's do a road. Keep it as a line, and let's do filter by, let's do a bike lane. Let's see how many bike lanes there are in the city. So we want it to equal left hand side, right hand side. So we want it to equal both the left hand side and right hand side of the roads. So click done, go to style, and then to make it show up, to highlight it, let's make it a red, and then change the width to something bigger, maybe 5, and then you can see all of the bike lanes here. As I mentioned in the previous video, you can see that the labels are like underneath the data. So to change that, we want to drag this layer that we've created underneath the labels that there, so that you can see now that the labels are sort of on top of or in front of that road layer. And yeah, that's a basic overview of how to highlight certain elements within Mapbox's tile sets.